In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the 9 income streams that have completely transformed my financial situation. I'll explain how I created these streams with minimal upfront investment and how you can do the same, no matter where you're starting from. You'll hear how I turned setbacks into learning opportunities and how a few strategic decisions led to a drastic shift in my income. By the end, you'll have a roadmap for building your own income streams. So stick around. The first income stream I developed was YouTube ad revenue. Once my channel reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, I was able to monetize it through ads. Earnings depend on metrics like CPM, cost per 1,000 views, and RPM, revenue per 1,000 views after YouTube's cut. For example, one of my videos with 90,000 views earned $540, while another video with the same views brought in over $1,300 due to a higher RPM. The type of content you create significantly impacts your earnings, and understanding these metrics has helped me optimize my strategy. Another income stream I've built is dividend income, which is entirely passive once set up. By owning shares in companies that pay dividends, I earn a portion of their profits. Instead of picking individual stocks, I prefer investing in dividend-focused funds, which spread risk by holding shares in multiple companies. This diversification ensures that if one company cuts its dividend, others can offset the impact. One of my newest ventures is a community platform where like-minded individuals come together to share ideas and build sustainable income streams. While this project isn't profitable yet, I see it as a long-term investment. I've hired a team and developed the platform to provide real value to members. The goal is to grow it into a self-sustaining community while maintaining control over its direction, unlike platforms like YouTube. Sponsorships have also become a significant income source. I regularly receive sponsorship offers but only partner with brands that align with my values and that I genuinely trust. Trust is everything in this business. It takes years to build but can be lost in an instant. Active consulting income remains part of my portfolio. As a professional in your field, I occasionally take on projects to help businesses. While it's not scalable or passive, it keeps my skills sharp and opens doors to other opportunities. It's also a reliable way to earn while focusing on growing my other ventures. Real estate has been another cornerstone of my income streams. I've invested in both physical properties and real estate investment trusts. Recently, I've shifted from residential to commercial real estate, as commercial properties often offer steadier income and less hands-on management. This shift has allowed me to diversify my portfolio and reduce the time commitment required for property management. Public speaking is another income stream that started small but has grown significantly. I began by offering free talks at small events to build my reputation. Over time, this led to paid opportunities to speak at larger events and workshops. Now, I regularly speak on topics like personal finance and entrepreneurship, turning what started as a passion project into a rewarding income source. Affiliate marketing is another stream that's proven to be effective. By partnering with brands and sharing products I genuinely use and recommend, I earn a commission whenever someone makes a purchase through my links. It's a win-win situation. My audience gets value from my recommendations, and I earn for sharing products I believe in. Finally, I've created digital products like templates, courses, and ebooks. These require effort upfront but provide a steady stream of passive income once they're launched. For example, a budgeting template I designed continues to sell regularly, providing consistent income without requiring additional work. These are the 9 income streams I've developed so far, and they've completely transformed my financial situation. 2 years ago, I didn't think any of this was possible, but taking small steps and staying consistent has made all the difference. If you're thinking about starting your own income streams, I hope this inspires you. Which of these would you consider exploring? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.